Part 2, Jamaica Carnival review.
Right.
So as you say now, mentality
Yes.
has to do a lot with, this is basically life too, you know.
Life as well.
But
Yes.
we go put it to Carnival,
Yes,
because
right.
this is the Carnival discussion. So
Right.
tell me about the mentality,
Yeah.
you know, how it
So-
have everything to do.
I've been observing the scene, right?
Yeah.
No, it's not like I've been away from it, you know. I've always
Right.
kind of been.
You're there, yeah,
Yes,
it's
I've
there,
always
but
been there observing. Because even like, I don't know, some people might not remember Beach Juve.
Right.
I never experienced it yet.
Yeah.
Them not keep it again, unfortunately.
yeah, I remember Beach Juve.
Right. So them they kind of will enjoy that. You know, I will again observe the match from the side.
Right.
But I've always wanted to kind of. Sometimes overthinking is a problem,
Right.
and you know, worry, and all of these things. You have to find a balance. Some man jump on things and them kind of disrespectful or inconsiderate with it.
Right.
Some man afraid.
Yes.
So two of them no.
Yeah.
So what I
You have to
observe
find the
now,
balance
yes,
now.
yeah man, what I observe now is just like, alright, listen to the woman them. You know? Be considerate.
Yes.
And I would say the biggest thing I would tell you is enjoy the vibe around you, outside of them. Really and truly just appreciate the carnival vibe, the soca vibe,
Right.
and then let that outward,
Right.
and then I believe the energy will be matched.
Right.
You understand? And you will kind of observe better, because you'll see a woman dancing, right?
Yeah.
You say, alright, fine. You see, you look on the body language, you observe the body language.
Yeah.
Maybe even if you can catch like eye contact and, you know,
That is
get
it.
like a permission or something, you know what I
If
say?
she shall smile, she got like a
She
smile at
smile,
it.
yes,
Then you know say,
yes.
take a chance.
Take a chance.
Right.
You just have to feel it out. Don't.
But realize what you do to it though, is how you go eat it up.
Right.
Yeah, but 1 foot style, over do you see you do it? You
Right.
go in with a 1 foot first,
See-
and
see,
you
test the
you
waters.
test the waters with the
Right.
1 foot in the water, you say, alright,
Yes.
this don't look bad.
This don't look
then
bad.
the next foot cover it. So
Yes.
there's a strategy to
Right. So I kind of give them the opportunity to come to me as well.
it. Right.
And some will present themselves, you know. You don't want to be like conceited or egotistical and thinking, oh, everybody want me, every just whatever.
Right.
You understand? But you still have their signs.
Right.
Some will kind of give you the opportunity. So, you know, maybe one come and dance right in front of you. Could have dance anywhere else. You don't have to, but alright.
But you realize
If
the
we-
whole of that, I mean,
right.
she come in front of.
Even if she curve me, at
Yeah.
that point you can't necessarily wrong me for maybe attempting.
Right.
You understand? So really it's observation and just feeling out the whole vibe.
Yeah.
Being one with the soca energy.
Yes.
In a sense.
So become one with it.
Yeah man. Enjoy.
Become one with the environment.
Yeah man. Don't get fussy about, oh, me have to dance on this. and that.
I realize what got you what kick you off to, you know, you did go Juve Friday night.
Right, right.
So the vibes they
Yeah,
done
man.
nice already from Juve.
So
Tell me about Juve
Yeah, man,
leading
I've-
up to Carnival.
That's the next thing. So I've been built, as I say, I've been pre in the scene.
Yeah.
It's almost like this year was the year where I said, alright, I gotta apply everything I learn and I observe and when I hear from the people them who jump and stuff.
Right.
I'm sorry, I apply it now.
Right.
And again, practice makes perfect in a sense.
Right.
So going out a bit more.
Yes.
You know, I'm a bit introverted.
Yeah.
But venture out every now and then, get
Yeah,
your
man.
feet wet, get used to it.
Yes.
And then again, that's when reading the body language will increase. Being
Yeah.
able to read the body language better.
Yeah.
You understand? Because you interact with the situation more often.
So you
go
say
Juve.
you learn no.
learn-
It start from Juve.
Yes.
So
As
you
in, as I
brought
say,
it right into
yeah,
the Sunday.
The application start from Juve because as I said before, I've been pre in the scene.
Right.
And as in, it's not that I saw away from it.
Right.
But in terms of involving myself,
And then
Juve started.
Juve was the perfect party because you have party, you know. So you have party where say mass camp is so huge.
Right.
It look away for go up to one girl.
Right.
You have to left from way over here, so walk up to her, try get her dance. You're probably not gonna bother do because you think the walk alone, then
Right.
she might go flap you.
Right.
So you think about it.
Yeah.
Well, Juve is a party now. It's so crowded and everybody's so tight together. Plus the
Right.
paint, plus the rum.
Well-
so
yeah man, the thing is this. Personally,
yeah.
I would more venture out for a party like Juve because me,
the
I don't really,
vibes.
yeah, I don't really, I'm not knocking.
The stand up and
Yeah, I'm not
stand up
knocking-
and pose thing.
Yeah, I'm not necessarily big up on yourself. No, seriously, I'm not. You know,
It does not you.
vibes is vibes. You know,
Yeah.
however you find it. There are different ways to approach life and you know outings and things.
Yeah.
And not everything have to be a breakout business.
Right.
But if I'm going out, I might as well get lit.
Yes.
That's you know what I'm saying? Like to me.
Yeah. For me too.
Yeah.
The same thing.
That's it. So I'm trying to have.
I like stand up and
right.
posing thing. I could have done on my phone. Yeah,
Right.
go
Right.
music I play there on your phone like.
Exactly.
Well, Jove, as you said, everybody
Exactly. So
dance, everybody the vibes,
Yes.
the
You'll more
paint.
see me come out for them thing there. Where it's just like we're just free.
Yeah.
We're not worried about this. No bagger man, no pre, no bagger man, and you know what I say. And we just enjoy Carnival is woman. Just enjoy it. Enjoy woman, and Juve is more free again.
Yes.
The environment is, yeah man, fun, freedom, wine, paint.
Yes.
It's very interactive.
Right.
Which will increase your chances of getting a little bubble pan. Which I got.
Yeah,
Whole heap of Juve, I got more than Carnival.
You say
more than
enough of the girl them from Juve.
Promise me.
You see them again.
Yeah.
Carnival day, and then they promise to say,
Some
of them.
Some IOUs are out.
Right.
Some
so you got some.
I collect 2.
Yeah.
And some just never see them.
Yeah, but you still see some that walk past.
Yeah man.
Right.
Yeah man. But may I tell you, that's why I was so mad about Yardmas, because there's some of
Yard must the girl them they did it. Yeah, you
yeah.
never get a chance to interact with them.
Man. Every one of them have all of them beautiful women in every single band. But Yard must have some beautiful ones as well, you know?
Right.
And you see, you say, let me actually correct you. You say we start from Juve.
Yeah.
That is like more the, again, party vibes.
Right.
But really and truly, I tell you, it start from Yardmas Backyard Jam.
Right.
Which is them fitness something.
Oh, you did go to that?
I go last year, I usually go that. Feel like a little vibe, little cardio, little something, you know what I say?
Yeah.
But them is a soca driven fitness vibe, you understand?
Right, so the vibe.
So you get the vibe, you know, you kind of, boy, holy power woman go this too.
Right.
But a fitness, where I go for.
Yes, exercise.
But either way,
yeah.
you still, the vibes.
So I realize Carnival, everybody start see the same faces, you know. So people, the woman them start see you from the Juve, you know. Them remember you. Know.
Right.
If a couple of them are probably dancing, you probably never see them, but them see you with a Juve, I go out. I say, yo,
maybe.
I see if Sunday on the road, me I give a bubble.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you know.
Yeah.
Like it kind of trickle down, you know.
Yeah, people are party from the Friday before, you know. Cause people, the Easter holiday, our Carnival start from the Easter holiday. So people are party Easter Friday, Easter Sunday, Easter Monday.
Yes.
The whole week. Then Juve the Friday, whatever the Saturday, Carnival day.
Yeah.
So you end up seeing the same faces and things. So as I say, a lot of people, you know, man will like that woman, and spot her from 1 week before. A woman will like that man.
Right.
So, but people say some of them see it too, you know.
Maybe.
From the Juve. Yeah.
But that's why it's good to kind of carry yourself in a way we're kind of appealing, you know.
And it's good for socialize.
It's good to socialize. Actually, honestly, every time I think I always go back, I'm go backyard jam. Then now me I go before that.
Yeah.
Well, in between that, for UA Carnival.
Right.
And then UA Carnival we did more. We know say we go.
Yeah.
And we more just observe.
It was that more observation again. Yeah.
As I say, I see some of my family, and then I go to the after party.
Right.
And I say, all right, make we go.
Yeah.
And there's no liquor vibes going.
You say get some bubbles from either that.
Yeah. And there's some say that's where I kind of analyzed it and say, wait, you know what I'm saying? May I catch it, you know.
Yeah.
I could have maybe applied myself a little bit more in the after party.
Even at the after party.
So
but you observe and test the waters from you after party.
That's some perfect it.
Yeah.
And say, alright, Juve watch now. And then Juve now and the march, Juve have a little mini march, you know. After,
yeah. Right. Yes.
So all of that from it start, the party, cause we're in VIP.
Right.
And then we can go both.
Right. And
so
back in a regular section.
So
back and forth.
So every crevice and corner that I've been there. I cover. Then the march.
Right.
And then during the march, I also do some little push up too.
Yes.
Just for vibes, not really for anything else.
Yes.
And then, woman fling paint upon me, jump on me. I just energy and vibes.
Yeah.
I'ma love that. So, yeah man, this year was definitely
the best year.
The best year, and mentality definitely helped with that.
Yeah man.
Freeness. But be considerate.
Yes. As I say, at the same time, don't just jump on a woman and start dagger.
Right.
Dagger. Yes. As I said, the way you go it is the right way. You take your time going, as we said, the man have a 1 foot style people. do that style. If you're shy as a man out there, you're shy. If you dance with a woman, go in with a 1 foot first, test the waters.
And if you get curved, it might be slight, nobody might even see it.
Yeah.
You know what I say? And if them see it, whatever.
Yeah, in our life, I realize it. You can't be afraid of letdowns or a girl not dancing with you or you don't get through. Just keep it moving.
You have to be assertive.
Yeah.
Listen, then even if a woman curvy in a way that's a bit extra, some man take offense, you know.
Take offense to it.
I tell you, just listen. First of all, remember, say she never obligated to really give you no vibes
in the first place.
Right.
Yeah.
So you have to accept that first before you even talk to them.
Right.
Or even try to go for a wine or whatever.
She might have a man. The man might have nearby.
Right.
You don't know that.
Right.
So don't get hurt when you get curved.
Right. So I'm just like, that's fine. I don't take no. You understand?
No, you don't take no offense to it.
It doesn't affect me at all. I still appreciate it. I'll probably even still be like, they're beautiful still.
Yeah.
You understand? Enjoy your night, regardless.
Yes.
You get me?
Yeah.
I still appreciate them. It's toughness, you know, mental toughness as well.
Yeah.
It helps. So, yeah, man, Carnival for the vibes, mentally, physically, because you're active.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I think it's very nice. I would say it has a better influence upon the country or on the country than I don't want to do soca versus dancehall, you know. I'm trying to knock dancehall.
Yeah, man.
But I feel like if you go a dancehall party versus a soca party, you're more likely to have fun and enjoy yourself at the soca party than at a dancehall party. No, not saying no, you know.
No, knock it, but
Cause you have your wind up
hold on there again.
Yeah, man.
Okay, you got a soca versus dancehall now.